In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Etsy Shop payment history. We'll walk through where to find your monthly statements and how to export them as a CSV file you can use for bookkeeping, taxes, or sharing with your accountant. Start by opening a fresh browser window. In the address bar or your favorite search engine, type Etsy and press Enter. Click the official Etsy link to head to the site. Once you're there, sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In option near the top right. Use the credentials for the account that manages your shop. If you're prompted for two-step verification, complete that to continue. After you're signed in, open your account menu and choose Account Settings. This helps confirm you're in the correct profile and gives you access to shop-related links. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager. You'll typically find a Shop Manager button at the top of the site. If you manage more than one shop, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding. Inside Shop Manager, locate the left-hand menu. Click Finances, then select Payment Account. This area is where Etsy tracks your shop's transactions, fees, taxes, and deposits. It's the central hub for your payment data. Scroll down the Payment Account page until you see the Monthly Statements section. These statements summarize activity month by month and are very handy when you need organized, time-bound records. Use the Year selector to switch to the year you want to review. This filters the list so you only see the months for that specific year. Take a second to pick the correct year for your reporting period, or the time frame your accountant requested. Find the month you need in the list. In the row for that month, click the Generate CSV link. Etsy will create a downloadable spreadsheet containing your payment data for that month. If you've generated it before, it may appear as a download link right away. The CSV file format works with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most accounting software, making it easy to sort, filter, and reconcile your records. Depending on the amount of data, generation can take a few moments. When it's ready, the file will save to your browser's default downloads folder. That's all there is to it. Open the CSV to review transactions, fees, taxes, and deposits for that month. Repeat the same process for additional months or years as needed. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you're in the correct shop and year and refresh the page. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!